You see, guys, look, all the parts. All the parts. You have to take all the dashboard off. I had issues with mine. Some people, they say this one is damaging right here. This flap is damaging inside. Mine was this motor right here. See, it's bad, and I had to buy new ones. Right here, right there. See? And I went to the dealer and they said if you replace one, you have to replace all of them. If not, every couple of months you're gonna keep taking the dashboard off. So if anyone has the same issues, I was driving and all the time I tried to put on the heat. I never had heat. All the time blowing cold and cold, because right here, you see this one right there, right here, there's a flap right there. There's a flap, closes, that's the heat radiator, that's the cold, there's the heat right there, and it opens up so you can blow the heat. So I didn't have defroster, I didn't have any heat, only cold blowing all the time. So one motor is right here, second right here, third one right there, fourth one right here, and one more right there. So you have to replace all 5, plus internal air filter. I don't know why they put the filter. You have to take the dashboard to replace the filter. Kenworth saying they completely taking them off, but I bought new one, so that one has like 6.5 years, so it's okay. So I'll put new one in. So next time anyone takes off the dashboard, make sure you replace all the motors.